How to enable gyroscope in Blood Strike. Hello and welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to enable gyroscope in Blood Strike so that you can improve your aim, then the first thing to do is to open the Blood Strike game on your device and wait until you reach the main lobby screen. Once you're inside, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear icon. After you are inside the settings menu, click on sensitivity on the left hand side corner and click on gyroscope from the top. Now, to enable gyroscope, you can choose either always on or on while ADS. If you choose always on, then this means the gyroscope will be working all the time, even when you are walking, aiming or turning. If you choose on while ADS, it means the gyroscope only works when you aim down sights. Normal movement stays controlled by your fingers and gyro activates only during shooting and aiming. Now you can also go ahead and adjust the gyroscope option, whichever option you choose from the top. You can go ahead and adjust the calibration, inverted horizontal controls and so on. You can also tweak in the dead zone sizes, adjust the gyroscope sensitivity from the bottom menu, and once you are done with it, you can get back to the home page. And now you have successfully enabled the gyroscope on Blood Strike. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.